Good morning, amigos. It's February 7, 2026, Saturday here in the Strip, Las Vegas, Nevada. So we're inside the Venetian Hotel and Casino. So you're looking at the Grand Canal over there. So this is a famous tourist attraction here. You're looking at the Grand Canal. So BGC copied this dun sa Venice area ng BGC. Okay. So I'm filming this to show you the major construction of the new Hard Rock Hotel and Casino over there. So it's a huge well, you could call it a facelift, but this is totally bigger than the previous one, the one you see in the movies. So I suppose that's the trunk of the guitar. So it's the Starbucks Hotel and Casino. It's shaped like a guitar. So a lot of people are very excited and expecting the opening of this Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Okay, so Venice, Grand Canal. We just came from Treasure Island. Over there, Treasure Island. It's an old classic OG Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas, but it still has a number of players and tourists coming in there because of the pirate show at night. So it's morning here, so a lot of people got drunk last night, being Friday, start of the weekend. So yeah, we're expecting the opening of Hard Rock Hotel and Casino by the end of 2026, and this is huge. Okay, so till my next filming, kindly slam that like and subscribe button. Thank you.